I found this session quite informative and taking some new stuff with me that I can use within our organisation as a ladies' organisation, Khush Amdeed. And if you'd like to say something.
Yeah, we learned lots of things today, and especially technically, that some things we didn't know, and we can use in our Hushamdeed organization. And brilliant, well done, all the staff.
Hello, I am Becky from the Be Social Company. I just wanted to say thank you very much for having me today. It's been really informative, good to meet other people that want to sort of look at the same things and just have a bit of a refresher on things. But yeah, very good.